Class 8 Sound Longitudinal Waves. Bell. Ear.
Here is the funny classroom activity done by our students in a actively participating mode. Here is the particle arrangement of longitudinal waves. What is the main theme of this activity is when an object vibrates, it creates regions of compressions and rarefactions in the surrounding medium, usually air. This is the funny trial. These pressure vibrations form sound waves and travel away from the source through the medium. The medium's particles do not travel from the source to the ear. Instead, they vibrate back and forth, transferring energy to neighboring particles and thus propagating the wave. When these sound waves reach the ear, the pressure vibrations cause the eardrum to vibrate, and the brain then interprets these vibrations as sound.